everyone, so for today's video I am back and I'm going to be showing you everything that I received for my 17th birthday. If you guys didn't know, my birthday was last Sunday on the 13th of January and I turned 17, which obviously means I'm allowed to drive once I've passed my driver's test and everything. So I thought today I would show you everything I received for my birthday this year, as I've done one of these videos for I don't know how many years now on my channel, probably since my 13th birthday I think. So either my 13th or my 14th birthday, something like that. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you everything I received for my birthday this year. I just want to say I bought a ring light a couple of days ago. It's the first time I'm actually using this, so if the lighting's a little bit different to usual, that's probably why. I'm just trying to get used to the lighting and all that, and I'm in a different background today because I just thought, why not? So before I begin, I want to say I'm not trying to brag or show off. You guys love these videos, I love these videos. So I'm just going to show you everything I received. I'm going to start off with everything that I received from my mum and dad, as it's just closest to me. So the first thing I did get for my birthday was a car. I also want to say a shout out to my granddad for also putting money towards the car. So yeah, I got a car for my birthday, which I'm so grateful for. I got it a couple of months ago, only because that was like the time it was available, so everyone else has been using it apart from me. So I got a Fiat 500, it's in the white, it's absolutely like beautiful, super cute. So that was like my main present, and I wasn't really expecting anything else at all other than maybe some driving lessons. So I just feel truly spoiled this year because my mum and dad did a pretty good job as well. The first thing I also got for my birthday was this L'Oreal set. It's called Beauty Like a Boss, and the perks of having your birthday in January is that all the Christmas gift sets are still out and you can still get loads of them, which is even better. So this comes with the Pure Clay Detox Mask, the micellar water, and then the Miss Baby Roll mascara, which is my favourite mascara in the entire world. It's the best mascara if you've never used it before. And yeah, I haven't tried the other two products before, so I thought this was a really good set. I think I circled this in the Boots catalogue around Christmas time and completely forgot about it after Christmas, so I'm looking forward to using everything in that. And then the other gift set I got was this Jack Wills set, and in here it comes with like a body wash and a body lotion, and then also this massive travel wallet. And I was there when my mum bought this because we went into Boots like on the 27th of December, and I'm going to Croatia in July on a school trip, so I was kind of sticking along the theme of like travel, and I need somewhere to put my passport. So in here you can put like your passport, your boarding pass, money, things like that. So I just think this is a really good idea, and I saw this set and it was perfect. So thanks mum and dad for buying that. The next thing I received from my parents was in this No. 7 bag, and I've never owned anything from No. 7, but recently I've been trying to find a new moisturiser for my skin, and I got a sample from No. 7. I got one from Clarins, and the No. 7 one's been working really well for my skin. So my mum managed to pick up a few things for me. So the first thing she got was the Instant Results Revitalizing Peel Off Mask, as the lady told her it's a really popular product, and I'm always here for a good face mask, so super excited to try this out. And then what I got was the No. 7 Beautiful Skin Night Cream and Day Cream, and my skin is dry to very dry because it's very dry half the time and very sensitive too. So that's why I had to test out in the little tester pots before to make sure my skin wasn't going to have a massive reaction. But yeah, I've just been using before that like little Nivea or L'Oreal, and it doesn't do anything for my skin, and also my skin is so sensitive that it just wasn't doing anything at all other than irritating it. So yeah, these are what the little pots look like with the moisturiser in. So now I have a day and night cream that should work for my skin, so I'm really excited to finally use something for my skin type. Next thing I got from my parents was another Pandora ring. This is like the last one to complete my collection for a while because I'm running out of fingers. So if you saw my what I got for Christmas, I got this ring for Christmas, and then these two I got, one for my birthday last year and one for Christmas last year. So I thought, why not? Little Pandora ring this year. So this, I will do a close-up for you. I can't remember the name, but it's like little infinity charms, and if you have been a viewer for over a year, you would have known last birthday I got the infinity earrings. So these kind of just match with the ring, and it is so pretty, and it's quite different to all my other ones. My other ones are all quite like little bubbles, whereas this is very like linked. So I've worn this today already. I just put it in the box to show you, but yeah, this is super beautiful. So thank you mum and dad for the ring. I then got a Hollister jumper. My mum did pick up a different one, but we went into Hollister yesterday and I decided to change it as it was a bit too thick for me, and I changed it for this one. So it's just this navy blue kind of v-neck. The lighting has gone mad, I've noticed. And then it's got these 4 different stripes on it, and this is in a small, if you're wondering. I just think this is a really, really nice jumper, and I love Hollister clothing so much, so that's always nice. And then I got some L plates to stick on my car to obviously show I am a learner, otherwise a bit dangerous. And then the final thing I got was this Lush face mask. I got one in my stocking for Christmas and I absolutely love it, so my mum picked up another one, and this is the Mask of Nimity, I don't know, but it's a body and face mask, but it's the best thing for your skin. Oh my god, my skin has never felt so soft after using this. I just put this on just before I get in the shower, and you leave it on for about 10 minutes. So I try and have like a 5 to 10 minute shower, rinse it off, and your skin feels amazing because it's a bit like a mask and a scrub in one. And I just love it. It also smells so good. My brother gave me £2.57, just random. And also then this little Jack Wills bag. If you saw again my wardrobe for Christmas, I got the big wash bag. So this is a really nice small bag to match in with like the passport. You see, I bought myself the makeup bag. I'm really like trying to get a little theme here going. And inside you get a lip balm, which is really nice. Smells amazing, and also a mirror, so this is perfect for traveling. There's some of the ring light for you. But yeah, I just thought, you know what, this completes my travel set, you know, and it completes my little Jack Wills set, and I just think these bags are so lovely, and I just haven't had any new ones in a while, so Dex did a good job here. So like I said, that's everything from my family, well, my mum and dad and stuff. So I'm going to move on to my presents from other family members and also my grandparents. So I just want to say a big thank you to anyone who gave me money to go towards driving lessons. That will be much appreciated. And then from my grandma I got this Katie Loxton London gift bag, and inside there is a bag from there. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's just this really pretty pink bag. This can be used for like a makeup bag or going out, and I just think this is perfect. I'll probably use this like when I travel something and put all my makeup and stuff in there. And my grandma also did give me some money to go towards driving lessons, and then also a really pretty bracelet in here as well, so thank you so much for that. And then from our family friend Susie, she got me this really cute little grey bag, and then obviously it's quite big inside. It's got little compartments and things like that, and there's also a long strap if you want to make it like that. And she also gave me some money again to put towards driving lessons, so thank you for that. I then got quite a few things from my friends this year. I was really spoiled by my friends this year, so thank you a lot. So from my friend Neve and her family, I did get some money for the driving lessons, and then they also got me this massive car cleaning kit, which is perfect. I can just put this in my car now, and also these really cute little air fresheners, and these smell amazing from what I can smell on the scratch. So thank you guys for all of this. This is much appreciated and is going to look great in the car. Then moving on from my friends Lucy, Eleanor and Eve, they managed to get me loads and loads of lovely little beauty bits. So the first thing they got me was this simple face mask. This, from what I can smell, smells so good. And then they also got me a lovely Nivea lip balm, because if you know me, I'm always using lip balm. And then to complete that off, they got me a Little Mix Simple Edition facial wash, because Simple is great for sensitive skin, and I haven't had a face wash in ages, so this is much appreciated. And they also got me a little hand cream because my hands are always dry, and then also this really beautiful eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, and the colours in here just look amazing, so really excited to use it. It's called the Reloaded Affection palette, for those of you wondering, and yeah, this just looks stunning. I can't wait to use this, and maybe we could do a makeup tutorial or get rid of me, who knows. Then from my other friend Eleanor, I got this super cute little keyring. It's a little mushroom or a toad, whatever you want to call it, and this is so cute. It's going to go on my car keys eventually, so thank you for that. And then from my friend Holly, I got a Topshop voucher and some chocolates, so thank you Holly for this. I've been waiting to eat these since Saturday, and it's currently Monday, so now I can actually tuck into these. And then from my friend Goodness, I got a Topshop voucher, and then this really cute plaque which just says, a good friend knows all your best stories, a best friend has lived them with you. So this is going to probably go on my door, I think, because it's really cute. So thank you Capricorn twin for this. And then from my friend Nina, I got some money, so thank you so much Nina for that. And then I also got these really pretty earrings. They're in the little shapes of a bird and the little danglies, and I cannot wait to put these in. These are so pretty, so thank you so much. I absolutely love these. And then finally from my friend Olivia, I got this really pretty necklace from Accessorize, and it's just got a little compass on it. at the bottom. Again, I'll do a close-up, but you know, being the geographer that I am, this is perfect. So thank you so much, Olivia, for this. So that is everything I received for my birthday. Thank you to every single person who got me something, and thank you to all of you guys who wished me a happy birthday yesterday as I'm filming this. I also did a bit of shopping on my birthday, so if you would like to see a little bit of a clothing haul, then please let me know down below. I'll be more than happy to do that for you. As this year I kind of want to spice up my channel a bit. I don't want it all to just be study with me, so let me know what other videos you'd like to see. And like I said, thank you so much to everyone who made my birthday such a special day. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave it a massive thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!